How cute are these little hangings?
What is that?
I thought they were like... It's so nerdy. Sorry. I want to get this for Penny and Aoife so bad. It's 60 euros.
Does it get stained? Oh, it gets stained. Okay. Well, one thing that Andrew does is Poshmark, where like it's all. Do you know Poshmark?
And the collection is only for 2 months. Okay. Are there any that you would specifically recommend?
Well, my favorite one, it's the one flavor.
Okay.
It means infinite. See, the first word.
Oh, yeah.
It means there is only one flavor in this macaron, and it's the most famous one. Like pistachio from Iran, mango from India. You have vanilla from Madagascar, or dark chocolate from Brazil. And then you have the signature. It means you have 3 or 2 flavors in the same one, just like this. And you take this.
Oh no, she'll take that. She'll take that one.
No, it has to be fresh. I'm not even asking if they keep it for tomorrow. It'll depend on And we always work with local seasonal elements, and we make enough, so we will finish it by the end of the day, right? So you would see that some of the desserts so mid of 17th century, and at this time Paris was Catholic, and this is the place to go, right? Very popular church. For the important mass, the ladies would send a maid to take a place at 4 o'clock in the morning, because this really wasn't and look at the cafe. Very popular. We have our guests. Second floor is where the landlords are sleeping, and third floor for the meals. Right? So how do we get there? Crossroads, right? You have to. Why would you build this park? Because you want to. You don't have to. It's choice. It's a post-materialist choice. You build a square because you know the park cannot. So you remember Osman changed completely Paris. Of course, a lot of criticism, right? We lost some areas of the Métiers, and in order to compensate this part of Paris, starting end of the 19th century, Jews are coming from east of Europe. They didn't want to come; they had no choice. Pogroms in Russia, and the Jews are leaving. They are refugees, right? But there will be some references to the homosexual and lesbian and LGBT community. Because my building is 18th century, and it's just a building, right? It's nothing. Just 18th century building. So this is another new 19, end of 19th century. But it was built on what used to be the Hotel de Ville before. So we had a Renaissance Hotel de Ville from the 16th century that was completely burned.
And then one was it P3?
P3, yeah.
I think that's Rebecca. And maybe that is Louise on the left. So Mark got the ribeye. I got special. It was the beef and carrots. And then, yeah. Look at these tiny little plastic. Oh, cute.
That's all I didn't expect it.
No, I thought it was just soup. No.